Gear. These are called D-lights or wonder lights. All you gotta do, this one right there, you reach out and you find a little red light. What do you gotta do? Watch. And you can pull them out of them. They're safe to eat. I could just put one in my pocket. I could take this one, put it in my pocket. Holy crap, there's so many of these. Take them, double them, throw them away. Take it, put it in this pocket. Take it, put it in the pocket. Take it, put it in the pocket. Take it, put it in the hand, and it vanishes right before your eyes. Those are D-lights. And yeah, I got them on eBay, so yeah. Hope you got. Those are red. Those if you guys are buying these, if you want to buy these, the multicolored ones, there's the flashing ones, change color. I would not recommend these because when you're switching them and stuff, it doesn't look bright to me. I don't know if you guys just look it up, D-lights, look up the color changing ones or whatever. I don't know, it's up to you. Mine are in red. Common colors are like red and blue. I got red. And you just throw it up. You can pull it through your stomach or your leg. And then just put it in your hand and goes. So yeah, those are D-lights.